We will search how to buy shares of Plumas Bancorp and show the key steps. Plumas Bancorp is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ with ticker PLBC, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker PLBC to find Plumas Bancorp. Choose the matching NASDAQ listing to make sure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to check recent movement. Confirm the company name Plumas Bancorp and ticker PLBC to ensure it is the right asset. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when markets reopen. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the trade is placed, your open position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.